I miss you. I love you. So guys, I'm heading to Bangalore and I'm going to tell you all the reason why I'm heading to Bangalore in just a bit. I'm gonna miss him. Etihad, Air India. Where is Indigo? My ticket timing is 5 o'clock. That's when I will be departing from here. So it's not even like 1 o'clock. So they told me that we can enter only after the opening. It will start opening only at 2. So till then, I guess we are just like sitting and like chilling. So I'm gonna like tell you now like why I am actually going, and that is because unfortunately my dad's mum, she passed away a couple of days ago, and she was in Bangalore and I'm in Mumbai, so I have to kind of, since she's my granny, I have to kind of go to Bangalore for that. However, a few plans of my video that I was planning to do have actually failed, so I'm actually going to be, this is going to be my second vlog, as opposed to I had actually shot an evening routine, and that never really, as in I wasn't able to edit it because of all the emergency packing and stuff. So let's just hope that inside everything is alright, because I have carried my COVID negative certificate if in case anybody needs, which I took. You need to, guys, you need to take the COVID test. If you are traveling interstate, you need to take it at least with a maximum time of 72 hours, because apparently after every 72 hours the certificate is kind of invalid, so you have to really get it done like at a max 3 days prior. Suppose if I'm flying today, so 2 days back I was supposed to get it done, and it takes about 24 hours for them to send you a mail with the report whether you are whatever the result may be. So that is one thing. So I've carried that. I have carried my identity, I have carried the ticket, but I don't know how it's going to be inside. So I'm just gonna as and when like I keep proceeding, for now I just have to wait outside here like till 2 o'clock. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll share more footage with you guys in a bit. Bye. So guys, basically we have been made to sit here. I'm going to just quickly show you the place and then we'll understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so ideally I'm supposed to be there where that board is, and since my flight is at 5:30, they are not really letting us anywhere near there. And then initially we were standing in the line, and then that lady just comes up to us and she's like, what time is your flight? And if anybody says after like 4, she's like, please go there and sit here like this. She's like literally pointing to this fountain, and she's like, please go there and sit, because there's no point of you sitting here and all that jack. So I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm not keeping well, so to walk so much is like a pain, and that's almost like a 700-meter walk, and even though it seems like very less, it's actually a lot for me. So guess we're just gonna have to like wait. I mean, what's the time? Let's see the time. What's the time? It's 1:45. So basically till 2:30. Since my flight is at 5:30, she said to come there by 2:30. For 45 minutes, I have absolutely no idea what is going to happen. And ideally, I had thought of making a vlog for you guys sitting inside because I plan to actually come like 5 hours early and sit. But obviously that didn't happen, and even if I would have come early, I would have actually had to wait longer. So I'm really glad that ideally we were supposed to leave home by 11:30 and be here by around 12:30. So then the idea got canned because my husband was dropping me, and we left home at around 1. Not around 1. We left home at around 12:50 and we reached here by around 1:20. So just imagine if I would have come at 12:30, it would have been like another hour that would have had to wait, which I absolutely didn't want. So yeah guys, I mean already it's like so already काफ़ी stress है, एंड अब यहाँ पे और वेट करा रहे हैं, वो भी बाहर, देयर नो सिटिंग एरिया ऑल्सो, तो टेंशन काफ़ी हो रहा है. बट इट्स ओके, आई मीन 45 मिनट्स कैसे भी करके निकल जाएंगे. बट आई रियली लाइक दिस फाउंटेन. तो चेक दैट आउट. Finally, I'm in the airport. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm here at the check-in place. I have to do a self-check-in. So I got my boarding pass. Now I have to go and do my check-in from this place. Huge line. Massive line. So guys, finally my check-in bag has gone in. I am now going to the security where we are going to depart from. Has not yet been told, so say by 3:30 they are going to actually say it or announce it. So till then I just have to go into the security and kind of chillax, and finally I'm going to be able to speak to you in peace. Okay, so see you soon. Bye. Where do I go? Where do I go? This way? That way? Which way? So now we are heading down towards the domestic departure side. So there's the check-in. So just a quick update, I have checked in finally and successfully. It's about 3:15. I still have some time to go, so I've just like decided to kind of chill and say hi to my friends, because the waiting and the check-in kind of exhausted me. And all my hair straightening and everything, as you can see, is like a complete flop. But my hair is just like gone back to the same state that it was. And I need more battery. I mean, I need more memory to kind of show you the landing and reaching Bangalore. So I'm just gonna say bye for now. But this whole thing, basically, it's November 28th, 2020, and there is no kind of check-in particularly for COVID as such. I still carried a negative report with me, which I had taken. I did a home test and the report was like negative, so I still carried it with me. You too can, just to be on the safe side. As of like November 2020, there is no check-in and there's no particular thing that is happening, like no separating. They're not like testing you really or something like that. Neither are they asking for a certificate. So on that note, it's chill, as in if you want to interstate travel, you can. And I still have a little bit more to go, so I'm going to save up my memory card and see you soon. Bye. There is my flight, third from top. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. 45A is on the left. On the left, which is kind of weird. It says it's here. Okay. So as you can see, it says 45B down. So we're gonna enter the lift. and there it says Gate 45 ABC. I don't know if you can see it, but ABCD. So we're just gonna okay, as usual, this is like our, this is 45B, this is 45B, okay. So basically, as you can see, that is 45A and that is 45B. So this is the place where we have to depart from. And everybody's sleeping, so I'm really not going to be like that loud, but you can get a close look of the board. And 5:30, that is the Indigo flight of mine, and it's on time. So okay, I don't know who that is. Anyway, so it's on time, and I just hope that we can get on board really soon. So I'm gonna get back to the video in just a bit. See you guys. So guys, we're just like in the bus now. It's empty. That's just me and like one other person. Guys, well, it's like really quiet here. I don't even know if you can see me or hear me, but then basically the thing is that inside the flight, I don't think we're supposed to kind of like shoot. So I don't know if you can see me, but this is like a very discreet thing that I'm doing. And I don't think video is allowed, but I'm doing it anyway. I've got an aisle seat. I really don't like it. I prefer a window seat, but I will show you guys ahead when we are landing. Bye. Bye-bye. I'm just going. Number 2 is the belt for us. So let's just hope that we kind of get the bag really soon rather than later. And for now, I'm just going to use this and keep all my stuff here. This is quite heavy. Let's go. Super excited to touch down Bangalore in one piece. My favorite city in India. Right now I'm just waiting for my baggage. I'm waiting for my baggage, and my dad's waiting outside the airport. He's like waiting. I'm pretty sure he has been waiting since like 7 o'clock minimum. So just gonna carry my bag and go out. Yeah, so my dad he's eagerly like waiting to receive me outside the airport. Hello, Bengaluru. Okay. Can you see Dad? Dad? Okay, I can't see my dad. Obviously. He said he would meet me at Hattikapi, but I don't see him there. Oh, there's Dad! There he is! I don't think he recognized me. So, yeah, I'm just gonna leave the camera rolling. He's like following me. What's up, bruh? Say hi to the camera. Ah. So, I finally met Dad. I'm like, Dad told me he's going to meet me at Hattikapi. So me and Dad, and I met him finally. So, see you guys. We landed. This was my whole video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye bye. See you.